Hey guys, today I'm going to attempt to carve this piece of wood with my left hand. So if you see my right hand coming in on the tool, it's because you are usually carving two-handed, or often you're carving with two hands. But I will be reversing the roles. So my left hand will now be driving the tool, and my right hand will be controlling it. So usually for me it's the other way around. So I have no idea how this is going to go, but let's get into it. Alright, so here you see me putting my my right hand on the tool and pushing through the material, and that is me using my right hand as a guide for the tool. So I'm still pushing, I'm still using my body weight to push with my left hand, which is the opposite from what I'm used to. You'll see here though I kind of go back and forth between using my right hand as a guide for the tool and not, because I am trying to make it as difficult as possible for myself. So there's that. Hey Kenny.
What up, man?
I'm in the middle of carving an owl with my left hand.
An owl with your left hand?
Yep.
Holy crap.
Which would be a great time. Have you ever seen the ads that I do in my videos for the school?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it right now?
Do I want to do it?
Do the ad?
How would I do it?
I don't know, you can just say what you remember.
About your school?
Yeah.
Alright. If you enjoy this video and you find it helpful, he also has a carving school where he teaches people how to do much more in-depth, process of carving and do more detailed work and stuff like that. So if you'd like to do that, there's a link in the description to his online class. And yeah, that's it.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Thanks. All right.
Get to work. All right, see ya.
All right, bye. I'm gonna give myself another half hour because I want a full hour on this. I think I can actually do it justice if I do that. All right. All right, well, I'm going to stop. I've still got 4 minutes left. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Yeah, if you want to see more of this sort of content, like my brother said, check out the online school that I started. Link in the description below. That's all. Love you guys. Bye.